Zoe and Ann Marie gonna come for your play date? I don't know. Soon, I hope.
Josh, Zoe, and Ann Marie are here.
That's great.
What do you boys want to play?
Hey, look out the window.
It's snowing.
Let's go out and play in the snow. It's winter and it's cold outside. Christmas is near, there's snow on the ground. It's that time of year, yes, it's come around. Let's do something fun together. Well, we enjoy the weather. Let's learn to count to 5. Then we'll learn to count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count higher? Come on, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, everyone, let's do it again. Snow is falling on the ground. Christmas cheer is in the town.
Let's have fun learning our cool, cold numbers.
Snow is falling on the ground. Christmas cheer is in the town.
Let's have fun learning our cool, cold numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count higher? Come on, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,